start sharing your journey. We are all struggling and trying to find the light at the end of the tunnel. At the end of the day, that's what is happening, right? So you have an opportunity to start becoming that light even in your pain. I know this sounds hard or it might be difficult, but you can do it with a little bit of light, just a little bit, right? There's a saying, I think it was in a song, that you just need a little crack in your window for the light to come in. It doesn't have to be fully open, just a little crack. And so that's something that I want to start off with. I want you guys to just consider that in your journey right now, because a lot of the calls I've gotten is, I'm in pain and I need a solution today. I'm in pain. I don't want to tell my wife until I'm fixed. It's like, well, why would you do that? If your wife is a confidant, if your wife is a partner, then your part of your healing is to share your journey right now. Part of it is being vulnerable in this moment and being able to tell them, hey, this is what I'm going through. Because let me tell you a secret. There may be something that she's going through and she's held as well because she was too afraid to tell you. Like, just imagine what kind of relationship you're building when you go there first, when your honesty is the pathway for something to change, right? Like me and my wife, that's one of our biggest gifts is we are so transparent with each other, the good, the bad, the ugly, right? And it's been like that since my journey. When we didn't know what was going on with me, she knew that I couldn't have sex. I didn't know why. It wasn't working. And because I had such an amazing partner, she said, we will figure it out together. It was a we, right? And so this community, for those listening right now, this is your we. We are in this together right now. So when this call is done, get on the Facebook group and start sharing your journey. Get on the Facebook group. And if you're already ahead of someone, start helping others in their journey, right? That's how we start getting better. This is not like, well, I don't know, I can't do anything right now. You can. Like Dr. Stephen Devos, you started this many, many years ago. He didn't know how big it's going to get. He didn't know who's going to follow him. He didn't know that this community is going to get so big. He just started putting things out to help others. Now, here we are. My last one that I did had 15,000 views. Some of his views are in the hundreds, thousands. That's how you start. You start with the first step.